our Troop Information and Education speaker. She is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Criminology at Negros Oriental State University in the year 2012. On the same year, she passed the licensure examination for criminology. She entered the fire service as Fire Officer 1 in 2013. She furthered her education and graduated with a degree of Juris Doctor at Southwestern University in 2019. She passed the bar exam in 2022 and became a commissioned officer in the same year. Currently, she is assigned to the Legal Service Unit as Chief, Regional Hearing Office. Please help me welcome Fire Senior Inspector Attorney SYVIL M. RAMIREZ-TORO. A round of applause, please.
To our Regional Director, Fire Senior Superintendent Richard Algodante, sir. To our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir. To our Assistant Regional Director for Operation, Fire Senior Superintendent Romel E. Villafreda, sir. Other senior and junior officers, non-commissioned officers, non-uniform personnel, everyone, good morning. Today, I want to address a topic that touches many of us deeply. It's the consequences of exposing a partner's infidelity in the digital age. I'm sure everyone knows about the Maris Racal and Anthony Jennings issue, right? So, in a world where social media reigns supreme, the act of publicly airing our grievances can lead not only to emotional fallout, but also to legal repercussions. So taking screenshots of a partner's alleged affair and sharing them online may seem like a justified means of reclaiming power. But it opens up a Pandora's box of complexities. So in other words, while your emotions may urge you to react, the law provides a framework that we must navigate carefully. So what should you do? Well, you should still take screenshots as evidence of cheating, and instead of posting it on social media, file a proper complaint in court. The Supreme Court said that there is no violation of the right to privacy if screenshots are used in a criminal case. So you may invoke psychological violence, which includes emotional anguish and mental suffering caused by infidelity under RA 9262, or the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act. If you were in a live-in relationship or shared a significant intimate relationship with your partner akin to marriage. You may also file a civil case for damages if the alleged infidelity caused you mental anguish, emotional distress, or humiliation, claiming a violation of your rights and dignity. So what if instead of airing your grievances in a proper venue or court, you post them on social media? What are the legal repercussions of posting and sharing screenshots of private conversations? So, a counter case for libel or cyber libel under RA 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act can be filed against you if they believe that your social media posts have maliciously defamed them. Additionally, they may also claim a violation of their privacy rights under RA 10173 or the Data Privacy Act if private messages, photos, or conversations were obtained and shared without their consent. So even if you were a victim of cheating, by posting screenshots of the alleged affair, not only are you exposing yourself to cyber libel charges, but also to charges for violating data privacy, which is punishable by a stiffer and a harsher penalty. So indeed, our digital actions can have lasting impacts. The moment you post a private conversations or image without consent, you put yourself at risk for legal action that could have been avoided. By violating someone's trust and private communications, even if you are feeling justified, you're dangerously close to infringing upon privacy laws designed to protect individuals' rights. So your personal pain should not blind us to the potential ramifications of our actions. So sharing screenshots of alleged infidelities may seem trivial at first. Some even view it as a harmless gossip. However, we must consider the impact on individuals whose private moments are shared without consent. They may suffer from emotional distress, social exclusion, and even professional ramification. So the anguish of betrayal can tempt us to react impulsively. But healing comes from understanding and self-reflection, not public denouncement. The double-edged sword of social media can hurt those we aim to punish, but it also cuts deep into our own lives, often leading to regret and embarrassment. So in conclusion, while it is natural to want to express our hurt and anger when faced with infidelity, we must also consider the broader implications of our actions. Protecting ourselves legally and preserving our dignity amid betrayal requires wisdom and restraint. So with technology, we can either uplift individuals or tear them down. The choice is ours to make. As we mold the future of communication, let us remember the power we hold as individuals and the responsibility that comes with it. On this note, daghang salamat ug maayong buntag kanatong tanan.
Thank you for that inspiring speech, ma'am. At this juncture, may we call in our Regional Director, Fire Senior Superintendent Richard V. Arbutante, sir, to award the Medalya ng Papuri to our speaker. Citation read, this Medalya ng Papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Senior Inspector, Attorney SYVIL M. RAMIREZ-TORO, for her insightful contribution and commendable performance as troop information and education speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on December 9, 2024 at the BFP Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment serve to inspire and motivate others, contributing to the successful achievement of the BFP's mandates and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this 9th day of December 2024 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Richard V. Arbutante, MPSM, Fire Senior Superintendent, DSC BFP, Acting Regional Director. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.